Alright traders, pay close attention. Tensor Coin is showing some very interesting price action that could set up a solid trading opportunity. If you missed our previous analysis, make sure to check the link in the description so you're fully up to date. Understanding these key levels and chart patterns is essential to entering at the right time and avoiding unnecessary risks. Looking at the market, Tensor Coin has been moving in a strong uptrend, with massive buying momentum visible in the candlestick structure. On the higher time frames, you can see the classic series of higher lows and higher highs, confirming that the overall market is bullish. Large bullish candles show that buyers are actively controlling the market. However, the 4-hour time frame is not giving us a clear picture for an entry, so we zoom into the 15-minute chart for a more precise setup. On the 15-minute chart, a falling wedge chart pattern is forming. As you already know, a falling wedge is generally a bullish continuation pattern when it occurs in an uptrend. That said, there isn't a lot of space inside this wedge, so we need to focus on trading the breakout. Here's how we are approaching this. 1. Buy scenario. If the market breaks the upper trend line of the wedge, buyers are likely to continue pushing the price higher. We will wait for a retest around 0.24 and look for a strong bullish candlestick as confirmation to enter a buy from there, riding the uptrend. 2. Sell scenario. If the price breaks the lower trend line of the wedge, that signals potential seller control and a short-term reversal. In this case, we wait for a retest of the broken lower trend line and look for a bearish candlestick as confirmation before entering a sell from that level. Patterns like the falling wedge are not just lines on a chart. They represent a tug of war between buyers and sellers. Watching how the price reacts at these breakout points tells us whether buyers or sellers are confident. Patience is key. Don't jump in early and always wait for confirmation. In summary, Tensor Coin is currently in an uptrend with strong buying pressure visible on the 15-minute chart. A falling wedge chart pattern has formed, and we are waiting for a breakout. If the market breaks the upper trend line, wait for the retest and buy. If the market breaks the lower trend line, wait for the retest and sell. Traders, what do you think? Will buyers continue to push Tensor Coin higher and break the wedge upwards? Or will sellers gain control and push it lower? Comment below with your thoughts. And that's all for Tensor Coin today. Stay sharp, trade smart, and until next time, I'll see you in the next video.